Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 8, our occupation. Occupation, what is an occupation? First we will learn about what is an occupation. What is an occupation? All the peoples do some work to earn money or to earn their livelihood. They do some work, whether they work as a doctor, teacher, peon, whatever, they work to earn money. And such type of works are called their occupation or profession. I repeat, all the people do work to earn money, and that work is called occupation or profession. So all the people do different kinds of works to earn their livelihood. Like some people help us to work at home. Some people works in the school. Some people works in the market. Some people works to build our homes. So in our day-to-day life, all people, those who are working, they help us in some or another way. So in this chapter we will learn how the people help us to do our different kinds of work in our daily life. First we will learn about how the people help us at home. When we are at home, how the people, those who are working to earn their livelihood or to earn money, how they help us. So let's study. First is people who work at our home. Now, when you get up in the morning, what you drink? Yes, you drink milk. Now, from where you get milk? Who brings milk to your home? Yes, it's the milkman. Milkman brings the milk to home. So, yes, milkman help us bringing the milk. Then next is maid. How does a maid help us? How does a maid help us? Maid help us to keep our house clean. Maid help us to keep our house clean. And it cleans our utensils also. Then next is newspaper vendor. Now when you get up in the morning, you need to read the newspaper. Who brings the newspaper? Yes, newspaper brings the newspaper to your home. Then sweeper. Who is a sweeper? Sweeper sweeps the road and clean the streets, and it also collects the garbage. So these are the 4 people. They are earning their livelihood as well as they are helping us to perform our daily routine work, or they are helping in our daily life. So let's divide them. Milkman, who brings milk to our home. Then maid, a maid cleans our house and washes our utensils. Then newspaper vendor, a newspaper vendor brings the newspaper in the morning. Then sweeper, who is a sweeper sweeps the road and collects the garbage. So these are the 4 people who are around us, and they help us to fulfill our daily needs. Yes, parents, we have learned how the people help us at home, how they make our life comfortable. Now we will learn how the people help us at school and what are the work they will do. Yes, when you go to the school, what you find there? You find many people are working there, like teacher, principal, driver, guard, peon. So let's learn how they help us in a school. Teacher Yes, you know that what a teacher do? A teacher teaches the students and also teach them good manners, how they can be good human being. The next is peon. What a peon do? A peon rings the bell at the time of the class, and then next is aya. Aya is the aya, or you can say it auntie. Aya or auntie take care of small children. The next is guard. A guard sits at the, you know that who is a guard. A guard sits at the school gate and guard the school, means any unwanted people or any those people, no people cannot be create any mischief in the school. So a guard sits at the gate and school gate and guard the school. Then next is driver. Who is a driver? A driver drives the vehicle, school bus. They drive the vehicle, school bus, and when they pick up the children from the home, and they also, and after the school they drop the children at home. So driver drives the vehicle. So this driver helps you very much, as they are getting you from the home, then they are dropping you at the home. Then next is principal. You all know what is a principal. A principal looks after all the school, all the people, those who are working in the school. A principal take care of all the school. It take care of all the management of the school and govern all the people who are working in the school. So students, we learn how the people help us at our school. So teacher, then a teacher teaches us then peon, a peon rings the bell, then aya take care of the small children, then a guard the school and sits at the school gate. Then we learned about driver. A driver drives the school bus and van, and a principal governs or look after all the school. So students, we have learned how the people help us at school. Now we will learn how the people can help us at market. Now, what is a market? A market is a place where we buy the things of our daily needs. Now, there are also some people who are helping us at market. They are helping us in our buying our daily need things. Now, what are they? Let's learn. First is chemist. Now, who is a chemist? A chemist sells the medicine. If we are sick, what we will do? We will go to the doctor and we have to take some medicine. Now, who sells the medicine? A chemist. A chemist sells the medicine. And when we take the medicine, we cure. Then next is tailor. Now, who stitches our clothes? A tailor stitches our clothes and we can get new clothes from him. So, a tailor stitches the clothes. Okay. When we are at home or where we are, we have to eat something. Okay. We need to eat something. We need to eat food to grow, to live. Now, fruits, vegetables we have to buy. We have to eat daily to be strong. Now in the market, who sells them? A greengrocer. Who sells the fruit and vegetable? A greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables. Then next is, yes, you like to eat cakes and biscuits. Everybody likes to eat cakes and biscuits. Now who bakes them? Who prepares them for us? A baker bakes the cake and sells them. A baker bakes the cake and sells them. Now along with these people, so many people are working at the market. They also help us, like cloth merchants, like the people who are selling at shops. So how these they help us in or buying the or they are helping us to fulfill our daily needs. Let's divide them to people who help us at market. Chemist, what a chemist do? A chemist sells the medicine. Then tailor, what a tailor do? A tailor help us to stitches the clothes. Then greengrocer, a greengrocer sells the fruits and vegetables. Then baker, a baker bakes the cake and sells them. That is how the people they help us at market. Now we will learn how the people helps us in building our home. Many people are helping us to build our homes and to take care of our homes. Let's learn about them. First is plumber. What a plumber do? A plumber fits the tapes and pipes. Taps means null. Tape, they help in fitting the tapes and water pipes, and they also repair them when there is a mistake or miss happening in the water pipe system, water system, then we will call the plumber. Then next is electrician. How does an electrician help us? An electrician lays wires and fits the bulb, and when there is a mistake in the wiring system, we will call the electrician. So plumber helps us fitting the water tapes and water pipes, and it also helps us repairing them. Then an electrician lays the wires and fits the bulb. Then next is painter. You all know what is a painter. Who is a painter? A painter paints the walls of the house. A painter paints the walls of the house. Then next is a carpenter. Who is a carpenter? A carpenter makes the furniture. It makes the chairs, tables, all the kind of furniture a carpenter makes. Like it makes doors, windows, tables, chairs, beds, all the furnitures are made by a carpenter. Then next is a mason. Who is a mason? A mason build our homes. A mason build our homes with bricks and cement. Yes, we all have studied about the Pakka house. What is a Pakka house made of? A Pakka house is made up of bricks, cement, iron, wood. So a mason use all these things to make the house. That's how a mason helps us. These all the people are helping us in building our homes, in making our homes. Let's revise them. First is a plumber. How does a plumber help us? A plumber fits the tapes and water pipe, and it also repairs them. Then next is an electrician. How does an electrician help us? Electrician lays wires and fits the bulb. Then next is painter. Who paints the walls of the house? A painter paints the walls of the house. Then next is carpenter. A carpenter makes the furniture, all kinds of furniture like doors, windows, tables, chair, beds, sofa, whatever the furniture we see in our house that are made by a carpenter. Then last one is mason. A mason use the bricks, cement, iron, wood, all these things, all these materials to build our homes. So a mason help us in making or building our homes. So these are all the peoples, they are helping us in our daily life. So not only them, all the peoples, many of the peoples are helping in our daily life to perform our daily activities. They are fulfilling our daily needs, and they are making our life comfortable. So in this chapter we have learned how the people they help us at home. Then we learned how the people help us when we are at school, how the people help us in the market, and how the people help us in building our homes. In the house, many people are coming like maid, milkman, newspaper vendor and sweeper. They are helping. When we are at school, our teacher teach the school, principal look after the school, peon rings the bell, ayah take care of small children and driver drives the school bus and vans. And when we are marking along, many people are helping us in fulfilling our daily needs like greengrocer, baker, a tailor, chemist, etc. Then when we are, if we want to build our house, we want to make our house, then many of the people, they are helping us like plumber, electrician, an electrician, a carpenter, a painter and a mason. These people help us in building or making our house. So we cannot, so students, we cannot live alone. We need the help of many of the people in fulfilling our daily need, and they are making our life comfortable. So we should, all the peoples, those who are helping us in our daily need, we should have respect for them. We should respect their work. And with this we finishes our chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter well. Okay, thank you.